guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you boss up and create wealth for yourself. Now, if you're new to my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and making money online. So if you're into that type of content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that bell notification button so you're notified each time I release a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get free traffic or free sales to your online store, your e-commerce store, your online boutique, whatever thing you're doing online right now. These are powerful strategies that I have used and still currently use to drive traffic to my business. And no, I'm not going to be talking about Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, social media, Twitter. We're not going to be doing social media marketing here because I feel like a lot of videos that talk about getting traffic to your website are usually geared towards social media marketing. So today we're not going to be talking about social media marketing, but we're going to be talking about other powerful ways that you can use to drive traffic and increase sales in your online store. Now, these are my favorite free traffic methods that you can use to drive sales and traffic to your online store and most likely convert into sales. The thing about social media marketing is the fact that, you know, anyone can go on Instagram and like a picture, leave a comment, but that doesn't always equate to sales. What I use social media for is really just to connect with my audience and pretty much update them on what's new, what do I have in stock, and, you know, just anything that I feel will be relevant to them. I'm not essentially using social media to get customers that are going to pay for my products, because the thing about social media is it is a social platform. So people go there, they're bombarded with millions of images every single day. They like the swipe, they like the swipe, they like the swipe. It's very, very, very unlikely, unless of course you're someone who's popping for people to actually go and see your product for the first time. Click the like button, check the link in your description, and purchase immediately. People don't know about your business, especially if you're just getting started. I mean, you're not Fashion Nova, you're not Pretty Little Thing or all the big businesses out there. If you're a new online store, for example, it's going to be very difficult for you to get customers just with social media. People go on social media to socialize and, you know, watch funny videos and read memes and inspirational quotes and, you know, any other thing, you know, the shade room. They want to go there to see gossip, drama, and socialize. Really, they're not really going there because they want to take out their credit cards and purchase products. Let's be real, okay? Not to say you don't need to be on social media. Of course, as a business, social media is still extremely vital to have to engage and connect with your audience, because some people prefer actually communicating with brands through Instagram, Facebook, rather than sending them an email. Of course, you can use the paid version of social media to increase sales in your store, but if you're just using free strategies such as uploading images and using hashtags, in this day and age, it's going to be very hard for you to get any sales. So the first free traffic strategy that you can use to drive online sales to your store, absolutely free of charge, is to look into using email marketing. The thing about social media is people are going to go on social media, they're going to like a picture, they're going to swipe, move on to the next, maybe leave a comment, you know, oh, that's amazing, but it's very unlikely that they're going to take out their card and purchase from you because they do not know who you are, especially if you are in your business, right? So what you want to do is make sure you have an email marketing strategy in place. Email is still the #1 powerful way to get customers to your business, and this is something that is golden to me. This is my #1 way that I get customers to my business. Of course, I use YouTube, but without an email marketing strategy, all the traffic I get from YouTube will be obsolete, to be honest. I'm really not going to be making any sales if I didn't have an email marketing strategy in place. So what you really want to do is focus on building an email marketing funnel. Have an opt-in page. That could be a pop-up on your website. When people go on your website, ask them to sign up to your email list in exchange for a 15% discount code, or in exchange for, I don't know, anything free. If you're selling digital products, you can offer them a free course. I do that at the Ron Boutique Academy. I offer my subscribers a free 5-day course on how to start an online online boutique. And then essentially as time goes on, you know, they start to build confidence, they start to trust you as a brand, they start to know who you are, meaning that they're most likely going to purchase from you in the future if, of course, they're interested in your products and if you're able to sell to them, and you know, if your products obviously appeal to that audience. So what you want to do is focus on building relationships with your customers. Research actually shows that it takes a customer around 6 to 7 times to see your brand before they actually can purchase from you. So they want to know you're legit. They want to know you're not just another scam out there that is here today and gone tomorrow. So you want them to know that there's actually a real person or real people behind this brand, so they can trust you well enough to purchase from you. So email marketing, super amazing, the best way to convert. People can go on social media, swipe up and like and comment, and they're pretty much gone the next day, right? But if you have your email addresses, it's very unlikely that people don't open their email. It's a lot more personal. How many times do you check your emails in a day? Ask yourself that question. So if you had customers' email addresses, it would be very easy for you to communicate with them directly. You're not out here on Instagram competing with Fashion Nova and all the other big celebrities that are ranking higher within the Instagram algorithm. How do you say that? Algorithm. Bruh. You get what I mean? Okay, so yeah, so best way to differentiate yourself and still make a killing out here and still drive lots of sales to your store as a newbie especially is to grab people's email addresses. I love Aweber. Aweber is the best email marketing platform that I use, hands down. It automates everything for me. I've used them for the last 6 years. There's other ones out there like MailChimp, MailerLite. There's a few out there actually, but I can only speak for the one that I've personally used and the one that I personally recommend. Okay, so email marketing is my #1 strategy to check out if you want to get free traffic to your website. Another free traffic method you can use to drive sales to your online store or your online boutique or your e-commerce store is to use affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing in a consumer's perspective is basically where, you know, a customer signs up to promote a brand's products. Now, in this case, however, you are the brand. So what you want to do is have an affiliate program for your company. Okay, so you can set up an affiliate program in so many platforms. I use WordPress at the moment, and it's pretty easy for me to download the free WordPress affiliate plugin that I can use to set up an affiliate program for my business. And then once you get an affiliate network set up within your company, you can then go on to promote and get people to join and sign up to your affiliate program. Everybody out here wants to make money. Who doesn't like to make money? Everybody likes to make money, right? So what I've personally done over the years, especially with one of my businesses, is, and I talked about it in one of my videos, I'll link it down below or somewhere on the screen. What I did was I basically created an affiliate program, and then I got lots and lots of people out there to sign up for that program. They can join free of charge. You're not charging anybody. So it's like me basically telling you, hey, I've got this affiliate program. If you sign up for my affiliate program and send out your link to your friends, your family, I'm gonna give you 15% of every sale that comes through your link. I'm sure a lot of people want to do that, right? It's like free promotion, okay? So they want to make money, you want new customers, okay? And you only get to pay them if you make a sale. So that's the joy and the amazing beauty about affiliate market. I talk about this a lot at the Run Boutique Academy. If you want to find out more about affiliate marketing, how to get started, how to set up your own affiliate program, what platforms to use to create your own affiliate program, how to actually recruit people, because you can have an affiliate program, but if no one's signing up to that affiliate program, then it's as good as nothing, right? So the idea here is to make sure that you can actually get people to sign up to become affiliates to promote your products, right? So if you want to find out more, I'll be leaving a link down below, my course where I teach you guys everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing and so much more, okay? Another powerful way to get people to actually purchase your products is to use Pinterest. Now, I wouldn't consider Pinterest a social media marketing platform, but rather I'll consider Pinterest a search engine platform. It's not really seen as a social media platform, it's more of a search engine platform. Pinterest is one of those on the loop methods of marketing that not a lot of people use, and people still think Pinterest is a platform where you go to check out, you know, baby shower ideas, wedding ideas, but a lot of people don't realize that people are using Pinterest to get free traffic to their websites every single day. I use Pinterest all the time. I use Pinterest to promote the Run Boutique Academy. I use Pinterest to promote my online boutique. I've used Pinterest to literally promote any business that I have out there, and trust me, the conversions are amazing. Because here's the thing, when you go on Pinterest, interest, you're looking for ideas, you're looking for inspiration, these are people that are actually ready to pay extra for these products or services. So you're actually pulling those people to your company. So if I went on Pinterest right now and I was looking for an animal print shirt, then it's a high chance that I will come across your boutique, click on that link, head over to your website, and most likely, hopefully purchase. And even if I don't purchase, you can go back to step 1. Make sure you have an email marketing strategy in place where you can obviously grab my email address and then market to me, and then use that as an avenue to build trust with me, get me to trust your brand well enough to take out my credit card and purchase from you. Which takes me to my final free traffic method, search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is still one of the hottest ways to get leads and traffic to your online store. You're basically pulling people to your store who are genuinely interested in your products. Now, when people go on Google, they're Googling information because they either have a need or they're looking for something to, please them, or they want to entertain themselves. So these are people with a genuine need for, a product. So if I went on Google and I was searching for help on how to lose weight, and there was a company out there that sells weight loss products that are obviously using search engine optimization the right way, then there's going to be a high chance that I will stumble upon that business, head over to their website, and because I have a problem, I really want to lose weight, I'm most likely going to purchase their products, or at least they're going to get my email address and ultimately convert me into sales in the future. So search engine optimization basically means using the right keywords that people are searching for. So if you're selling animal print shirts on your online boutique, for example, then in your product descriptions you want to make sure that you have animal print. Your product titles, you want to make sure you have animal print shirt mentioned there. Product descriptions, you want to make sure you have animal print mentioned there. Now, one mistake that a lot of boutique owners and store owners make is, they're selling this amazing outfits and then they have something like the Hug Me dress. Hug Me dress doesn't make any sense, right? It's cool to have it, but also make sure that you're incorporating the detailed description of that dress within the description field, because no one's gonna go on Google searching for the Hug Me dress. They're probably gonna be searching for a black dress, a black long sleeve midi dress, a black short sleeve dress, a little black dress to go to the clubs or something like that. So if you don't have those detailed item descriptions within your product title and description fields, then no one's gonna find your products. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're using the right keywords that people are searching out there for the products that you are selling. Don't just go out there and put random things and just have a blank product description field with nothing in it. Make sure that you're optimizing all the keywords as much as you can to ensure that you're grabbing free traffic and free sales to your online store every single day. Okay, so guys, here are my 4 free ways to get traffic to your online store or your e-commerce store or your online boutique or your Shopify dropshipping store or whatever you're selling online. All the strategies work perfectly well. Okay, so, and you don't have to pay a single penny. You're not paying for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, none of that. All of this is free of charge to get started with. Okay, and again, if you want to learn more about this in more detail and also discover all the strategies that I personally use for my online and e-commerce stores, then there's going to be a link below this video to the marketing for boutique and online stores that you can access right now at the Income Rip Academy any time of the day from anywhere in the world. It's pretty affordable, and it's a great investment to help you market your business. So all those details will be down below this video. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful. Of course, give it a thumbs up, feel free to share, leave your comments down below, let me know which of the strategies are your most preferred. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and I look forward to catching up with you guys next week for another video. Bye for now.